as far as Buddhist philosophy, Buddhist concept is concerned, I think a Tibetan study is best. I think we kept, intact over 1,000 years, the knowledge of Nalanda. So I asked this, my longtime friend, you say, whether my brain, something useful or sufficient sharpness or not. All these come from, Tibetan study, which come from Nalanda. Yesterday also I mentioned it. Skepticism, not easily accept. Analyze, and look various factors that automatically develop holistic view. That brings realistic sort of view. Realistic view then carry realistic action. Then a satisfactory result come. So these I felt very, very useful, and also there is some potential, can make a little contribution for well-being of humanity.